This is URK 19CS1093 experiment number 9, two-level directory file organization techniques. So let's see the code. So we have to give the character character type, D name array with size 10, then F name with size two-dimensional array with size 10, and then C, F, C, and D as an integer variable. Then we're creating a structure here. We are placing all these variables inside that. Their with size directory with size 10. Then inside the main function, we are initializing individual variables like I, CH, DC, and T, K. Then character F of 30, then D of 30. Then we are initializing DC and T as 0. Then while 1, we are creating the menu driven program. So first option is create directory, second is create file, third is delete files, then fourth is search file, fifth is display, sixth is exit. So we'll be entering our choice, and that is using a switch case we'll get it. That is, we'll enter the name to enter, they'll ask the user to enter the name of directory, and that will be stored into dir of dcnt.dname, and dir of dcnt.fcnt will be initialized as 0, and dcnt will be incremented, and we'll print the directory created. And break, this is the case 2, where we'll enter the name of the directory using a, and we'll store into D, and using a for loop I equal to 0 less than dcnt incremented. If st will compare d command dir I dot d name equal to 0. If this condition is true, then it will ask the user to enter the name of the file, and will store that into this variable. Dir of I dot f name of dir of I dot fcnt, and will increment dir of I dot cfcnt. Then we'll print file created, and we'll give a break, and then we'll give another condition. If I equal to dcnt, then it will print directory not found. Then in case 3, we'll ask the user to enter the name of the directory that will be stored to D, and using a for loop we'll compare. Now we'll compare the D command dir of I dot D name equal to 0. If this condition is true, then we'll ask the user to enter the name of the file, and that will be stored into the variable F. And using a for loop, we'll get k equal to 0, k less than dir of I dot fcnt k plus plus, and if that condition is true, then it will go to this if statement. We'll compare f dir of I dot f name of k equal to 0. If that condition is true, then it will print file is deleted. Then dir of I dot fcnt will be incremented, and we'll copy dir of I dot f name of k to dir of I dot f name of dir of I dot fcnt, and we'll do a function go to JMP. Then we'll print file not found, and again that function go to JMP. Then we'll print directory not found, and we'll give a break, and this is the case 4. We'll ask the user to enter the name of the directory again, that will be stored to D, and for I equal to 0 I less than dcnt I plus plus. Then if that condition is true, it will go to this if statement. If this statement is true, then it will ask the user to enter the file name, and using a for loop k equals 0, k less than dir of I dot fcnt k plus plus. That condition is true, then it will compare using the if statement. It will compare f to dir of I dot f name of k equal to 0. That condition is true, then it will go to file is found. Then it will go to JMP1 and print file not found. Then it will go to JMP1 and print directory not found, and give a break. Then case 5, if dcnt equal to 0, then directory else directory files for I equals 0, I less than d c and t, I plus plus, then we'll print d of dir of I dot d name, and for k equals 0, k less than dir of I dot f c and t, k will be incremented, and we'll print dir of I dot f name of k. Give a break and then default as exit. So let's run the program. Give choice 1, dir 1, choice 1 again, dir 2, then option 2, dir 1, a1, then again option 2, displaying the file. So these are the files and directory created. Then I'm deleting file 3 in the option. I'm deleting directory 1. A2. Now I'm again displaying. So you can see A2 is deleted, and then exit. Thank you.